Hello, I'm Jackie Thomas from Ivybridge Podiatry. I'm a podiatrist, formerly known as a chiropodist. I can help you with your painful feet, ingrown toenails, fungal toenails, and your general foot care, including corns and calluses. I can also do cosmetic treatments, repair your damaged nails, and if desired, paint them with nail-safe varnishes. Our treatments can help reduce pain by maintaining healthy feet, as well as improving their comfort and appearance.
Please contact us on 01752 426 075 or email us on feet@ivybridgepodiatry.com.